Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 24th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we're not getting killed anymore. I gotta say that. Today, the Dow didn't, the overall market and the Dow didn't really do anything. Ended up closing up 8 points, pretty much just drifting sideways. And, we had a lot better day than I thought on Friday. We had closed out about $8,000 on Friday, but we're carrying negative about $8,000 coming into today. And I thought at first on the open maybe that was going to get quite a bit better, but it didn't. Those bad trades just stayed bad trades. We ended up closing out negative 9,000 on those trades that we had from Friday. But the good news is we are carrying close to $12,000 in positive going into tomorrow. So that's real good. And we just had quite a few good things happen to us in positions that we had that we were carrying today. So I have, even though we didn't make a huge amount of money, I feel like we're doing pretty well. I feel the markets seem a lot more stable than they were a while ago, and we are making a little money. But hey, I'm looking forward to a real kick-ass day here coming up, and it hasn't happened yet. I'm still waiting, but at least we're not getting smashed, and I'm not having this sense of very unstable markets where we get into something and immediately starts to sell off. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see here, after this massive push up on Friday, that of course created some problems for us because we got into a lot of positions up here that then became less profitable or went negative on us because of this gradual pulling back. Now, the only thing I can say about that is that those negatives weren't huge, but still, when we finally got out of it today, we ended up closing out negative $9,000. But now the Dow just drifts sideways today. And in that, in that kind of environment, we did really well today and picked up quite a few positions and are holding positive almost $12,000 going into tomorrow. Nothing is happening here with the Dow except it's taking a rest from Friday and going sideways. I'll show you just a couple. We had quite a few good trades today, but I'll show you a couple of them that I kind of liked. This first one is in STRP. This is a new mark for a straight path, and so far straight path is flying pretty straight. We're not taking any losses in it. We got into this thing today on a little pop-up here, and it just kept going, and we are holding $2,700 in straight path, so that looks really good. And then I'll show you another one here, if the bird will shut up and let me talk. I can't believe that bird. As soon as I start talking stocks, squawk, squawk, squawk. Anyway, on Friday we got into this is GTN, which is Gray Television, and this is we've had this for a while. It's really been a good market for us. We jump into this on Friday. It went against us. It closed against us, but really took off today and closed up there near its high on the close. Like to see that, as you know. And we're holding over $2,500 in Gray Television, so
that looks like a real nice one. Anyway, I feel good about today. Even though we didn't make a ton of money, I feel good about today. Hey, we got almost $12,000 going into tomorrow. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.